guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, installing, and reviewing this car over here by Coverland. Coverland is a new sponsor of this channel, so welcome to this channel. And also I want to give a thanks, like always, and I always do in every sponsored video. Thank you to the viewer for helping out, and also special thanks to Coverland for helping out this channel and providing with quality products here for this channel and for y'all to review, install, and see with me. So anyways, today we are going to be, like I said, installing this car cover. If you don't know, my Stormtrooper or my Camaro is no longer my daily driver. Different reasons, but it's no longer my daily driver, and this comes with different type of issues, if you will. One of the main ones is that I wash the car when I'm going to use it. I put it up, I come back, and it's already dirty. I don't have a garage or anything like that, so the only true solution is going to be buying one of these high quality car covers. This is supposed to be soft in the inside in order to keep it scratch resistant or scratch free. So this is a very good investment that you can do if you have your car as a non-daily, or even if there's a storm. I believe this could help a lot with storms as well, and it's just going to keep my car clean. That way every time I want to use it, it should be clean. So that is one of the reasons. Now I want to talk a little bit more about Coverland. Coverland is a company that makes car covers for specific years, makes, and models. They make this one specifically for the Camaro, so they guarantee a perfect fitment. Now just keep in mind that my car is modified with that wing and stuff like that, so it should fit good, but there could be not as 100% fitment just because of the modifications I have. So kind of keep that in mind. I really like this company, and it got my focus is because it's lifetime warranty, guys. So if there's a storm and rips it off, I'm sure you just gotta go run and get it, you know, or something, and show it to them, and they'll give you another one pretty much for free. So that is a very good warranty to have, and that is an amazing, you're standing by your product just with that. And it does come with a free bag. It comes with wind straps, and it comes with some antenna modifications in case you have something sticking out. You can do that with this, so that is very awesome. Now guys, we're gonna go ahead and start the unboxing, and let's see what this thing has to offer. This thing took about a week to get here. They did ship from the US, so they are here in the USA. Some companies like to ship from off seas, and they still get pretty quick, but this one, it was actually from UPS, so it's a good company. They're sending from good shipping methods. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Let's see how long it takes me. So I'm gonna cut this part off. And all right guys, this is the car cover. Let's see. Pretty heavy. It's actually pretty heavy, guys. I did read on their website that it's heavy for a reason, and that is for the wind to not be playing with it as much. So it's supposed to be heavy, that way the wind doesn't just hit it all over your paint. So that's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. That wasn't a complaint. And this is the storage bag, and we also get our wind straps along with our, I think they call it garments for the antennas and stuff. Camaros don't need that, so we're good on that. And we do get a little instruction manual, if you will. Shows you how to install it. And again, Coverland is a sponsor of this video, so special thanks to them. Let's start with the bag. The bag is good quality. It feels like a rain jacket. That's pretty much what it feels like. So it is waterproof. The inside is very soft, and like I said, this is pretty much a jacket, so comfortable. I'm not gonna wear it, but it's a good thing because it's probably mimicking what this is gonna be about. So let's go ahead and take this off. And this is the part where I have to be honest, guys. Before I did this product, I went on and I bought a cheap car cover, very cheap car cover, and I had to return it. It was bad quality. It was super bad. I didn't even get to put it on. I opened it, I did this, and I said, no, that's not going in my car, no, any way, shape, or form. That was just me trying to save money. It's not worth it, to be honest. And that's why I decided to, like I said, focus on this company. I really liked how they were standing by their product and everything they were doing. And as of now, guys, I'm very impressed. Super different than what I had bought. I was just trying to cut corners, but don't do that, guys. Don't do that to your car. This right here is quality stuff. I'm not gonna open it all the way, of course, but it's quality stuff. Just right now I feel it. It's like a blanket for your car. And like I said, feels like a jacket. So think of it like a jacket for your car. This is like you could tell it's waterproof. You could tell that it's a very good car cover. The inside feels like a soft jacket. So I see why it wouldn't scratch your car. Just make sure you wash your car before you put it in again. If it's super dirty. If it's just the normal, you took it out for a day or two and you know it's not super dirty, I wouldn't mind putting this again. But definitely if it's super dirty, don't put this in. That's just something that's kind of obvious, but just a little warning. This is pretty good quality, guys. I don't want to keep saying that. You do have some little straps right here. Make sure everything fits perfect. And I'm trying to look because here they are. These are the pouches that allow air to go in and out just in case your car gets wet for any reason. This is going to allow air to go and dry it out and no mold is created. And now you can also see it as if it's super hot in here, this is going to regulate the temperature. So they're thinking about every single thing you can think of. This has it. It's already covered. So now what we have to do, guys, is put it on, see how it fits, and then do the review. It depends. The review is going to depend on what happens throughout the week. Right now we are having a little bit of raining here and there. So if we do have a lot of rain, that's more than enough. But generally, I want to say 2 weeks to a week in order to review this properly. My main thing that I want to test out is washing it, put it in this, and then seeing how it looks once it's a week or two. How does it look when I take it out? Does it look like it was before? You know, that's one of my main things and main reasons why I really wanted this. But as of now, this is a very good protection. It, like I said, just think of it like a jacket. Grab yourself a rain jacket with some good inside little fabric, and that's pretty much what you're doing, but for your car. So if your car needs this type of jackets, you already know where to find them. Here in Coverland, we're gonna go ahead and put it on and test it out. All right, guys, well, this is the installation portion. So Coverland kindly requested me to showcase a fitment with a less modified car, which is something like this, a little bit stock, because mine is heavily modified, and they wanted me to make sure I show you how it fits 100% fitment. My car, like they told me, it might not fit 100% just because of the modifications such as the wing and the bumper and all that. So I'm going to showcase real quick how to install it here, show you how great of a fitment it can have, and also after that I'll show you with my car, and my car is going to get the 2 weeks testing for this video. So let's go ahead and do that. So the material, the fabric soft material, is very good. Been impressed with how this car cover fits. I'm gonna go ahead and it's pretty easy to put on. That is one of the things that I kind of like about this car cover. Let me make sure everything's on before I show you the fitment. And there you go, guys. There you guys have it. Easy as that. I did have it pre-fold because that's how you want to fold it when you put it on the storage bag. You want to make sure that it's folded nice and neatly. That way it's easy to put it on the next time you see it. As you can see right here, covers the whole diffuser. Now make sure that your car isn't super hot before you put this cover, because your exhaust tips are going to be extremely hot. It also comes with a fin right here, fits perfectly in there. These also come with wind straps, which I'll show you here in a bit how to install them. But wind straps here to make sure it's secured. Here we're gonna have some air vents. That way moisture doesn't get trapped in the car, just in case for any reason there's water or humidity. This has the ability to take it out with air running through it. It also has some mirror pockets, very awesome there. And you can see how in the bottom we do have some elastic band. This elastic band lets it just fall in place. So as you can see, nice and dry. You put it there, it bounces right off, nothing stays wet. Very awesome, very good. All right, and then for the wind straps, we're gonna strap this side first. And I already run the strap through the bottom. And then we're gonna go to this side, find the strap it right here. And then we're gonna pull this, make sure it's strapped nice and securely. And there you go, guys, nice and strapped in. And all right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this in my car, since I already showed you how to install it here. On the next clip, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my car, show you the fitment, and then we'll go ahead and wait 2 weeks for the final review. All right, guys, well, I just washed the car, as you can see, and put the cover on. It don't look bad at all. You just see it's a little bit stretched out, hence covering a little bit less of the wheel, but that's no big deal, to be honest with me or with you. This is the pockets. They fit good. They're still breathable. In the back we have the wing. Covers most of the diffuser and still covers the wing, still covers everything. Strapped it down. Winds get kind of high, so I strapped it down here, strapped it down in the middle, just run it that way, and strapped it out over there as well. So it's fully strapped. So we are gonna go ahead and give it about a week. I think a week should be enough. Like I said, the weather's kind of crazy. Never thought I would say this, but I hope it rains just after I washed it, to see how it keeps up. And let's see how it looks once we unveil it. Well, guess what, guys? I speaked it into existence. We just had like a massive thunderstorm with hail, a lot of hail. I didn't want it to be this bad when I called it, but it's holding pretty good. I thought it was gonna be blown away, honestly. Just look at the wind. It's very windy, guys. Holy crap. Here you see some of the water trapped. I'll help it here in a bit and kick it out. But holy crap, guys, it's holding off pretty good. This is what a new video's bringing here pretty soon. Little sneak peek, new daily driver, but little update. And if this comes out as clean as I put it up that day, which was literally yesterday, I'll be super impressed, guys, because the rain, the hail, it took a beating. I ain't gonna lie. I would doubt any other cover would have. And still strapped on. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but very impressed. So, little proof that weather did get pretty bad. So now we're just gonna go ahead and unveil it here in the next clip. All right, guys, well, the time is here. It's been about 4 days. I gave it 4 days because we did get that storm, high winds, got a little bit of hail, and a lot of water. So 4 days should be enough. It got beat up by all that. It got beat up by the sun. Right now we're like 100 degrees. Still strapped. You know, all this could have been in the car right now, but it's not because it's covered. Still strapped. That one, I moved it a little bit up here when I was checking out the wheel, but it's because of the dirt right here. And also keep in mind that this wing right here sits higher. So that's gonna make this fit a little bit higher as well. But that was just in case you were wondering if you had this type of wing. But if you don't, even better for you. You see, that's about the type of fitment you're gonna get. Straps are still good in there. And well, let's go ahead and take this cover off and see how the car looks underneath. So let's go ahead and take a look. It looks very good, guys, especially keeping in mind the storm and how aggressive it was. I do see a little bit of dirt, not really dirt but dust rather, that made it its way. Just for the storm this size is not a big deal, but I would take it off and kind of make sure it's not rubbing on it too hard. Pretty much the bottoms is the only thing that suffered getting dirty, and that's kind of like I said, because that is really because the cover was fitting a little higher. However, as you can see, this one looks good. It's just a swirls mark from the heat also, and from scratches and stuff. And most of the crazy stuff here, like this one, is from when I washed the car. I washed the car in 100-degree weather, so all that dried up real quick. That's the case on the wing, so it's not really dirt on the wing. So overall, I do recommend this product. And I'm thinking, if this is what it's doing outside with the storm, imagine what would have been without the storm, which is going to be the usual usage. Is with, you know, we don't get storms very often. But let's say you have it inside your garage. If this was an indoor, it would be spotless. Even all this, you know, to protect your car from scratches and stuff. But here in the harsh weather and stuff, it's performing very good. Very happy with what it brought, because now I don't have to wash my car again when I'm gonna use it today. So very good. Now we're gonna just go ahead and do the outro. There you go, guys, the Coverland car cover. I personally think that is a very good investment, not only because it's gonna keep my car clean every time I want to use it, but it also keeps my parts protected from fading with the sun. For example, one of the reasons why I don't have carbon fiber in the exterior is because the sun will kill it, will beat up to it. West Texas heat is no joke. Like I said, it's 100 degrees right now. I did have a carbon fiber plate frame, and it's completely gone by the sun. I'll have to replace it here in a bit with some other ones because the sun just beat up to it. Thanks to this cover though, I could be able to open new things and put carbon fiber in the exterior for that reason. And apart from that, just keeping my whole paint nice and cool during the summer, it's a very good thing to have. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do invite you to do that since it does help the channel a lot. Also, special thanks to Coverland for sponsoring this video and believing in this channel and this type of content, and for you for watching, for subscribing and all that. Highly appreciate. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Here you find content that does not make it to YouTube, such as pictures, previews and stuff before it actually hits YouTube. So other than that, guys, that's all for today. See you on the next video.